Okay, today we're just going to have some taxiing around the runway until see how the engine's going to do since we did the float repair. We'll do our 2 minutes of warm up at 2000 RPM. I guess we can do that while we're moving. Ah, someone's coming in. Well, so far the engine sounds pretty good. None of the spluttering and stuff that we had last time. Wow, look at that. It's a cool little warbird looking thing. Okay, he wasn't landing, he was just doing a low approach. Well, so far all the engine instruments look good. So we're just going to taxi up and down, get the engine warmed up a bit. So we'll just go down the end here and then come back up, I think. And then when we get to the other end, we'll go to the run-up area and run the engine for a bit. The winds today are fairly calm. Well, you probably can't see the windsock over there. Got to update the software on here with some new maps and some new software. A new OS. It's been a while since I got an update. Now we could go on the runway and play chicken with that guy, but I don't think I will. I only put about 5 gallons of fuel in each tank. The right tank's saying 4.5, 5. The left is like 3, 4.5, 1, 2. I'm entirely sure that my fuel gauge system is the best. Okay, I've got to turn around here. Go back. Try and follow the yellow line rather than the dirt. The idle is set a little bit high still. I think we'll tick it in a little bit, but the idle, I think it's like 1900, maybe 18, and it seems like everybody would prefer it to be in the 1600s. Okay, here's that guy. He's coming in on right
Crawling traffic, dog 1, right base, 26 crawling.
Maybe we can have a look at that guy as he comes in here. Oh, this time he's coming for landing. It is warm in here. Well, now summer's on its way. We definitely need to be here early in the morning if we're going to get flying. Okay, we're going to set up here in the run-up and see if we can get the oil temp up to 150. Put ourselves into the wind. Okay, that's at 2500 for a little bit. The Mac check's still at 4000, but I cannot hold it on the brakes at 4000. See, that's about as much as I can do. try a little mag check here. 3620. So 3640. That's 3530. So that's 100 drop. Okay, on the left. Went down to 35. It's 130 drop. And not to exceed 300 RPM, so that's okay. And the max difference 115. There's about 10 between them, so the mag check is good. Try a little bit more. Okay, we're going to taxi around again. Well, the engine's nicely warmed up, so I am sweating. Sweat coming off my face too. Alright, all temps is up to 151 now. So we're in the go range for flight, but we are not going. I am dying. I did want to go to the loo a little while ago. Stop here and go to the loo. But I'll keep that. Go to the car parking area. A few trucks came in early, but I haven't seen anybody. They must have gone already. GPS says it's 20 past 8, when I'm sure it's more like 20 past 9 or even 20 past 10, I don't know. Yeah, 20 past 9. This is 106 degrees outside. That can't be true. I mean, maybe it's afternoon, but not right now. Okay, going back to the hangar. Actually felt good, actually. I kind of like that. That was a neat little taxi. I can avoid the drainage and the car. Okay. So let's try what the idle speed is. Oh, that's 1750. That's actually pretty good. Okay. I don't have an engine stop card. That's interesting. Anyway, it's just here we go. Alright, thank you very much.